Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our set of inequality problems. Let's review our previous solution first. We implemented the factorization of the left-hand side and right-hand side, which is this step here. Now we have to estimate this side and this side, which is quite easy. We will use the eval function in Python. So let's just write it down. I will just copy this line, paste it here, and for the left hand side I will say eval left hand side knowing the knowns, and then for the right hand side eval right hand side knowing the knowns. Okay, and then I will print an empty line. I will save this file and I will run our tests. So first problem, we have f is 26 larger than 234, 26 times x larger than 234. Okay. Second test, 13, 234, test the 18 here, this is good. Third test, 26, 234, 26, 234. Test 4. Good again. Test 5. Negative f, negative 26, b minus t, negative 234. Test 6. This one, yes, f is 26, 1 minus 1, that's correct. And test 7. Good, okay. Well, so our test passed. The next step, so we passed this step, will be to estimate if the coefficient of x is positive or negative and eventually change the formula sign. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded. Bye bye.